kana mundu the alternative route
ndirakwira atiri wakorwo mairia mana kuthika odiro kana gukuri ni ya muri
tulia buda
cheza chini
na yule
yes
wonana na nderevore kuhi
ndirakwira atiri koragicesa nani ndirakwira ona naibacha ri tani ukanjiroera Netwani mugathe president.
Yes, muthenya wa ira shake down.
Na ira ni atengerire. Ndio mo bodyguard ni maraiguire. Ni ma bodyguard no meende the voice atirire. Ewe. Si kimbishe mkubwa. Make sure you go 50. Nyamurago ndo ashiko.
Shake it down.
Bana. Rocha jaribu kufikia geja 1.
Eto ndo wira ni wira, mewira.
Magana ai gosikia hiyo kota vile imegulwa. Hiyo tukigula hivyo zitalima chini.
Ona yori uti supersonic speed ne shake down no mehareria.
No, nyamo ici yori.
Mutheru ne gukuririo.
Ici adirika nira to magira guthigo ciro. Rwetare cia thia nginya gicagi.
10 days.
You know what happened? Na nikiosto ka centro thiko ici. Tene it was terrain. You get what I mean?
Yes.
No esa faida le chama wayo neki. The terrain. Ego the off road ko. Na off road vitigarire na ku Naivas. Totare umurangaro. Nende kugotani rami.
Well, no kolito no agature maru twako utheini
you see tame gotiari rami onako no cia garaja ka hora haitio kaniye makomboki oya kwa mauro wa njiko
aya ni moyonagira
ni
mo magakoyona rwithu twoyonagira haria mutaita
cia githia nginya yego igatwikaniria na rwiri gotiari ona bara riu athungu mona hata bokete riu the tropical savanna
original itself.
Riu athungu mona ari matwara safari ya icio mona hata bokete riu kuria gukorwo gods must be crazy.
Atuzwire tato twako tufero.
Tondoriri barakiona kundu gutari bara no kuria tumundu tu hau tukiroya na manyatha mohetwo na ndigi cia kiria cia gongo.
Tata wande tu koisan.
Yes.
Koi na koisan.
Look you makiona this must be native Africans. This must be the native, marginalized Africans.
Marginalized.
Na hindi yo me mukagu. Kana me kigumo kuya rugongo. Mugumo-ini. Bakiona, oh my goodness, yes, I think this is just this must be the Masai Mara. Mona tuhe makauga, they look like, they're human. For a minute there, I thought they're meerkats. Oh, this is amazing. How was the rally? Oh, it was just spectacular to see. I saw the Bushmen of Kenya. Actually, I passed a place called the Nyakahura, and I saw the hunters and gatherers there.
Oh my goodness, I want me.
I just saw the hunters and gatherers, and they were waving at us. They were so, they'd never seen anything like that. They've never seen anything like that. And you know, it's passing like this. And the funny thing is, they live with your wild animals.
Which wild animals?
I've got the police hybrid. They live with antelopes. They live with the deers and the antelopes. Oh my goodness, it's just amazing.
Well,
ona gweciria kundu mangithie riu raisi kundu gutigarire terrain ni Nyandarua no na kugutikire riu irima na andu
ona kuria gwitu mutaita bado terrain
ndirakwira gwitu mokaga mathi gucokia uhoro kuria kwao. I just show them and they reproduce.
Right, because there are many. What is it?
I was so surprised they reproduce. Especially I passed by a place called Gaishanjiru.
What happened?
Gaishanjiru. And there was this lady.
Yes.
She had like 6 kids. I was just I struck by that. I had to punch her, so my interpreter, and I asked him how many kids. She said 6, just the immersion. 6! One woman, 6! It was just amazing to be in tropical Africa. And the grassland, the savannah.
Bushmen of Africa.
And the heath and moorland. This was like watching Gods Must Be Crazy.
Yes,
they were just taking wild fruits. They were chewing on some stems. I don't know what those are. They were chewing on some stems.
Oh my.
And some of them had, some wild maize. And it looked like it had been sun-scorched.
Oh, safari lali.